nyako belonge maraja. Yawane no nyako moro kato nyingenga. Obendo nyalo miel koda nyingenga. Yawane no nyako moro kato nyingenga. Obendo nyalo miel koda nyingenga. Yae belonge maraja. Nyako belonge maraja. Keep on watching, guys. It's Maka Mugenda. There's a young man here. The guy want a photo.
Yeah, man. I want to take a photo, and even you see me, let me see you, nigga. I'm a young man from Diani. Here is my G. You know, support, subscribe, likes, you know, comments, subscribe them youth, you know.
Okay, thank you.
I'll see you.
Follow YouTube, subscribe.
I'll see you.
Inaitwa Maka. What are spelling ama?
Sasa hapa tunakusubscribe bro. Wow.
Keep on watching, guys. This is a Nyatiti vibe. We all normally do it. Keep on watching. Don't leave. Sawa, thank you. I'm good. You're good? I'm good. Yawane no nyako moro kato nyingenga. Yawane no nyako moro kato nyingenga. Obendo nyalo miel koda nyingenga. Yawane no nyako moro kato nyingenga. Nga. Yae belonge maraja. Kati ore mane kulo belonge maraja. Belonge maraja. Belonge maraja. Belonge maraja. Belonge maraja. Yae nyako belonge maraja. Keep on watching. This is Maka Mugenda. This is live. There's an active vibe. We always do it every day. It's an evening session, guys. Keep on watching. It's Maka Mugenda. Maka Mugenda. There's a lot of beautiful girl ladies here, guys. Yeah, so it's upon you to decide or to choose what to do, what's up to do. Yeah. The game is on your ball. The ball is in our side. Yeah. So it's just about us to decide. So just keep on watching. It's Maka Mugenda. This is a live recording here in Diani Beach. Yeah. We are doing a vibe. Keep on watching. Thank you so much. It's Maka Mugenda live here in Diani. There's a Nyatiti vibe. We normally do it every day. Yeah, in the beach. We call it Nyatiti vibe. Thank you, bro. Yawane no nyako moro kato nyingenga. Yawane no nyako moro kato nyingenga. Yeah. No nyako moro kato nyingenga. Yeah. Yawa nyako nonge maraja. Kati ore mane kulo. Dio mobi. Do what yay Englonge maraja yeah Yawane no nyako moro kato nyingenga to bendo nyalo miel koda nyingenga nyako moro kato nyingenga to bendo nyalo chamo ngoma nyingenga yayo nyako no belonge maraja Wololo, belonge marachano. Kati ore mane kulo. Biyo mobi, bichwa kochai, yeah. Biso yeah. Belonge no, engelonge marachano, engelonge, yeah. Yeah. Belonge marachano. Wololo. Yeah. Yawa. Jambu. Belonge marachano. Wow, thank you. Keep on watching. That's the song is called Nyako Belong Marachar. Yeah, this song is for those who ask me, Maka, you have to come back to Kisumu ama Siaya. Wao wananiona kama nimepotea sana. Oito bet ma paro rieko baba lelele. Oito bet ma paro rieko madwaro pesa kandalu puri. Oito bet ma paro rieko. Oito bet ma paro rieko baba lelele. Yo! Oito bet ma paro rieko madwaro pesa kandalu puri. Yeah! Champum. Aje okinyi makalelele. Aje okinyi makalelele. Aje okinyi. Ajomo Congo. Amayo azunge. Mamielo ngoma. Yey! Uyuko jamna. Jambo. Aje okinyi makamini zela. Aje okinyi amondo kinyi makalelele. Ajomo Congo. Amayo azunge. Mayuko jamna. Tobange mielo ngoma. Tobange mielo ngoma. Tobange yuko jamna. Yey! Tojo mapenya lalkae alale bo madwaro ngima. Alale bo madwaro ngima baba lelele. Baba lelele. Yoy! Alale bo magombo mpima. Alale bo madwaro pesa makaululu. Yeah! Alale bo madwaro pesa makalelele. Alale bo madwaro ngima. Agombo doko kola luor kodi. Agombo doko kola luor kodi. Aduogo na doko la nyogare. Yeah! Champung. Agombo doko kola nyogare. Agombo doko kola luor kodi. Omene sela juru. To ana duogo nare. Yeah! Yagomu duogo nare. Mugenda duogo nare. To ana duogo nare. Tojo mapenja lal kanye. Alale bo madwaro pesa. Alale bo madwaro pesa. Alale bo madwaro ngima. Yeah. Ajano dogo kola luor bodi omini sela ye. Baba lelele champung. Yelele. Yeah. Niwolo mama ye. Niwolo mama ye. Changoma. To mama dauna duoge dala. To mama dauna duoge dala. Mi mama dauna duoge dala. Yeah. 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 To mama dauna duoge dala. Mama chano duogo. Yatum buda luor. Agombo dodo kola luor kodi mama lelele. Yo! Togi ma pare ni minua. Togi ma pare ni minua. Thank you guys, keep on watching. Guys, keep on watching. Guys, keep on watching. Just 1 minute. guys, this song is a Spanish. The song is from Cuba. Yeah. This song is called Guantanamera. Yeah, when you read it, it sounds Guantanamera, but when you pronounce it, is Guantanamera. Yeah. So just keep on watching, guys. Thank you so much for your time. This is a song. This guy who wrote the song is a love song from Cuba. There's a young man who wrote this song. The story is about a palm wine tree. Yeah, the guy was just singing about palm wine tree, but it's a love song from Cuba. Thank you so much. But it's a Spanish. Soy un hombre sincero, de donde crecerá palma. Yo soy un hombre sincero, yeah. De donde crecerá palma. Y antes de morir me quiero échame celular, mamá. Yeah. Guantanamera, Guantanamera, Guantanamera. Guarira Guantanamera, Guarira Guantanamera. Yo soy un hombre sincero, de donde crecerá palma. Yeah. Y antes de morir me quiero échame sentido. Guantanamera. Niaje bro, niaje bro. Niko na YouTube channel number 2, in case utakuwa online just follow. Jina inaitwa Maka ya MAKA Mugenda. Maka kushanga space MUGENDA, Maka Mugenda. Itajileta tu, kiweka Maka already Mugenda itajileta. Have a nice time. Thank you. Guantanamera, Guantanamera, Guantanamera. Yeah. Yo soy un hombre sincero, de donde crecerá palma. Y antes de morir me quiero échame solito. Yeah, keep on watching, guys. It's Maka Mugenda. This is evening session. Yeah, in Diani. Very slowly, the music calling. Nyatiti. Nyatiti in Swahili we call it kambanane. Kambanane in English we call it harp. Traditional instrument called nyatiti. You see it here. Well, mnasikia too, but you don't see it. This is an instrument. Mine is big because I'm also big. I don't have time for small things. Yeah, so just keep on watching, guys. Maka Mugenda. I'd like to take you along the beach before, for the time where I'll be back here. I don't know if I'll manage what I want to do right now. I don't know. Totally, I don't know. It's not very easy, but you can just try. Okay, let me move very fast. I'm taking you back where it's a very nice place. Keep on watching, guys. It's Maka Mugenda. But remember, there's a lot of sounds coming. There's these young people, this generation of Gen Z, they love a lot of speakers here. Yeah, so sometimes it forces me to reduce the speaker. Kanya later. There's no need. Just see, I'm gonna lose. Avena mbele. Guys, keep on watching. I'm just trying to escape that sound. That's copyright. Hapa kuna vijana wengi, guys, with the speakers, so when I'm trying to play the instrument inakuwa vingumu sana kwa sababu kila mtu ana maisha yake hapa. Yeah, this is a beach, is a public one, so nobody can Kosumu baba itinguriga na de gido woru hiro eria kwando tokata tungo kwane wololore makosumu badi wawinjigo hero wawinjiero yeah. Kosumu baba itimuriga na de gido huru hero eria kwa dokto kata tungo kwane ulore makosumu badi wawinjigo hero wawinjiero yeah. Kosumu baba. This song is not for Maka Mugenda. The composer is called Ayubo Gada. The late eti muriga na de gido huru yo eri akwa do kata tung okwane ulo makosumu badi wawinji go hero wawinji hero wawinji hero wawinji hero yeah wawinji hero wawinji hero wawinji hero yeah. Wow. Thank you so much. Keep on watching, guys. It's Maka. That's the song. The song was the guy who played the song is called Laibu Bogada. The owner of Remember this is a Nyatiti vibe. Yeah, hapa kuna there's nothing like anguka nayo. Yeah, anguka nayo. Yeah, this is a Nyatiti vibe, guys. Just keep on watching. It's Maka Mugenda. Right here, I'm in Diani, guys. We are just doing a vibe. This is a Nyatiti, guys. You know, right now to get where you can see Nyatiti is being played is not easy. Let me uplift my camera so that you can see also the instrument. Unasikia tu sauti but you don't see the instrument. It's bad. Yeah, so I'm saying right now it's not easy to get where the instrument is being played. So thank you so much for your time watching Maka Mugenda. The song is called Trust Nobody. I'm totally confused, yeah. I'm totally confused, young man. I'm totally confused, yeah. That's nobody, Baba. That's nobody, Baba, yeah. Jumbo. Excuse me. My name is Mark. I have a YouTube channel, please.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, you can.
Really? Are you streaming right now?
Yeah, I'm streaming.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Hello, followers.
Yes, sir.
Is it
is it
the other side?
Okay. Hello.
Yeah. This is the other side.
Hello.
My name is Marka. I'm a musician. I play African guitar.
That's so nice.
Yeah. So what's your name?
Courtney.
Connie, and you?
Jose.
Let me sing for Connie and Jose. Where are you living? Anachukua, anaweka. Anachukua. She was born late in the night. Her mother was a proud woman. She works Her father was a tough man. He was yeah. Anachukua, anaweka. Yeah. Anachukua, anaweka. Anachukua, anaweka. Ololo. Sometimes I go keep on watching, guys. Thank you so much. It's Maka Mugenda. I just want to take you the other side of the beach. Yeah, that's what we call it, Congo side, eh? The Tiwik side, by the way. Yeah, so this is a very wonderful evening, guys. We are seeing some subscribers, they are just going, so we have to be very, very fast so that we can get them, so that they can't leave us the way they want to leave us. Thank you so much, guys. Keep on watching. This is evening session, guys. Asante sana. Keep on watching. Hello, Mambo. Have a YouTube channel, please. Just subscribe YouTube. Jina, nikupatie jina. Susonge karibu shwari. Maka Mugenda, M-A-K-A space Mugenda. Already umeenda. It's not bad. Yeah, so guys, I'm just trying to settle my stand so that everything can go as planned. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching Maka Mugenda. Asante sana. I think that's really be the end of my session today. Yeah, asante sana, asante sana. May God bless you so much. Have a wonderful day for watching.